Bonjour, my friends. I'm Frankie, and welcome to Club Foodie. During the summer, when I sit outside on the patio to relax, I like to enjoy a cocktail. I like something fruity without being too sweet. In the past, I've shared some amazing mixology recipes like blackberry mojito, Spanish sangria, mixed berry margaritas, and others. Now, here's another great one to add to this list. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my white sangria. It's pretty similar to the Spanish one, except white wine is used instead of red. There's a beautiful combination of fruits, making this refreshing cocktail a popular one during the hot summer season. So my friends, let's get mixing.
First, we'll prep our fruits. We'll make some watermelon balls using a small scoop or melon baller if you prefer. We'll do the same with our cantaloupe, making the same sized balls. Now, because they're round, although the recipe is for 1 cup each, we'll have to go over like 1.5 to 1 3/4 cups. Alright, let's make the sangria. To a large pitcher, we'll add the watermelon balls, and if there's any accumulated juices, we'll add them as well. Then our cantaloupe balls, followed by pineapple cubes. Now, I made a mistake and got distracted. Do not add the strawberries until just ready to serve. Otherwise, they'll be soft. It'll still be good, but we want all our fruits to be somewhat firm. Next, we'll add orange slices cut in half and 2 firm kiwi fruits, peeled and sliced. To this, we'll pour in white wine, and the one I'm using is Sawmill Creek Sauvignon Blanc, but a nice Pinot Grigio is another great option. We'll also pour in fresh squeezed orange juice and some orange liqueur, such as Cointreau. We'll gently stir everything without crushing the fruits, put the lid on, and transfer to the fridge for at least 2 hours and up to 6 hours. A few hours later, we'll add the remaining ingredients, which are 1 cup of ice cubes and some lemon-lime soda, like 7-Up. Technically, we should add the strawberries at this point. We'll gently stir until well mixed and serve immediately. And my friends, this is our white sangria. Extremely refreshing, this is a cocktail you'll definitely want to serve on a hot summer day. With a beautiful combination of fruits, this tasty beverage is sure to please everyone. Like I always say, please drink responsibly. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, cheers!